Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Does your computer screen remain stubbornly dim even when you manually adjust the brightness level? I recently faced a similar issue and have discovered several effective solutions. In this video, I will share 4 different methods that can help you restore the screen's brightness of your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. While most computers allow you to adjust your screen brightness using a dedicated function key, you might encounter situations where this method doesn't work as expected. In such cases, you can alternatively access the brightness settings through the Action Center by pressing Windows plus A. If you can't see the slider, search for Change Brightness Level to get to Display Settings, where you can also adjust the brightness manually. When you encounter random fluctuations in your screen's brightness, one possible cause may be the Change Brightness Automatically setting. To disable this feature, expand the Brightness menu in the Display Settings and uncheck the corresponding option. This prevents your computer from adjusting the brightness based on ambient light conditions, resulting in a more stable display. Another solution to consider is running a system scan to identify and repair any damaged or missing system files. To do this, open and run the command prompt as an administrator and execute the command sfc/scan now. This command doesn't directly address hardware or driver-related problems, but it can effectively fix brightness issues caused by system file corruption. Outdated software and drivers can often cause various problems on Windows computers. To ensure the best performance and stability, make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. If you don't have automatic updates turned on, check for them manually by going to Windows Update Settings and downloading the latest version if it's available. This simple step can help solve many common software-related problems. While Windows updates usually have necessary driver updates, a manual check for them can sometimes be more effective. Note that display drivers vary by laptop manufacturer, so first you must identify your specific graphics hardware and driver information. To do this, search for MS Info to open the System Information panel. Expand the Components category and click Display. Once you have this information, open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and right-click on your display driver. If the Enable Driver option is available, your driver is currently disabled, so simply click this button to re-enable it. But if it's already enabled, you can choose Uninstall Device instead to cleanly install the correct or updated driver. Remember to restart your computer after uninstalling the driver so that Windows can automatically reinstall it. When updating or reinstalling the display driver through Device Manager doesn't resolve the issue, consider downloading and installing the specific driver directly from the manufacturer's website. For AMD or NVIDIA graphics cards, visit their official websites and search for the latest compatible driver for your computer. Once downloaded, install the driver and restart your computer to complete the process. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.